Good morning, love. So today is a Sunday and I just got back home from a brunch with my friend Alex. We had brunch, we just like catch up and stuff, and then yesterday we went thrift shopping with my friend Mary Frances, which I'm excited to show you guys. And I also tried it on at her house. Okay, so let me just show it to you. And also we stopped by at H&M. Oh, I'm sorry. We stopped by at H&M as well, so let me show you what I got. Quick haul. I just put the clothes that I thrifted here as well because there were just a 3 piece of them. So let me just show you the one that I thrifted, and it's some color. So I got 2 tops and 1 I think pants or trousers. So you guys, look how cute this is. Like, look at this shirt, look at the detail, which is I really love. This is $2.98 in a size large, which is fits really well with me. I mean, look how flowy this is. I'm really excited. I paired this with, because I was wearing high-waisted long pants yesterday, high-waisted mom jeans yesterday, and I put this on. If it's really good, like it kind of like paired really well with some pants, and I'm excited to wear this. I have to like wash this first, but yes, I'm excited to wear this. I really love the color. The next one is this silky lilac or purple top. It's a button up top as well, and this is $2.98, which is the size extra large. It's very flowy. I really like this. It's very flowy, and I paired it with this pants that I'm about to show you. It's like a trouser. This came with a set, but the blazer that came with this one is a little too big. It's like XXL, and that's way too big. So this one, let me show you the pants. This is the pant look like. It's very flowy. I really love it, and I also love the color. It's like, I would say light green. This is the pant looks in the front. It's very flowy. I'm excited to wear this and also rock this. And I was like doing like a mix and match. So if I can just like wear like this top with this pants, I don't know if it's gonna end up looking good, but I did try it on yesterday at my friend's house. It looks absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna wash this one because it's thrifted, and also this pants too. I'm gonna wash these too. So I've been eyeing like some colorful like pants, and you know it's springtime, so I got this. They do have the same color like this one, but I feel like I'm not that too bold enough to wear these type of color pants. Maybe soon, but like I don't know. So this one is like sage green color. This is like wide, large, high-waisted jeans from H&M, and it fits really good on me, and this is what they look like. And they're wide leg. There we go. And I'm excited to wear this with like a cute, pair it with like a cute crop top, like a silky crop top or like colorful like crop top. Okay, so this one is $17.99. And then the second pair of jeans, my friend, oh my god, that's why. Okay, so look, I paid for this. Okay, I have the receipt. That's why when we went out yesterday, like, you know, the ringer, like this, like it went, there's like a sound, and I went back in, my friend and I went back in, and then he said we're good. Like he just went like this, like how did I have to go back there, and I literally have to go back there and show him the receipt, because look, this is, there's no tag. But anyway, this is a jeans Lee, I think the collaboration with Lee with H&M. Okay, now this sucks. I really want to wear this, and now I can't even wear it because there's this annoying thing. Like, how do I remove this? Okay, so this is the pants look like. So this is the loose mom jeans. It's really freaking cute too, and I'm excited to wear this as well. And I think I'm gonna wear this with like cute, like colorful tops. Excited. But yes, I have to keep this, you guys, because there's this one. I don't know how I'm gonna break. I'm not even gonna try. I'm just gonna go there since I'm gonna be out anyways next month. No, not next month, next week. I have an appointment. I'm just gonna stop by back at the mall and keep the receipt and let them do the job, because I can't even wear this now. So I gotta keep this. Okay, I gotta keep this. But yeah, this is Lee X H&M. I love the color. It like matches my nails. Okay, all right, so I got 2 accessories from H&M as well, which I got this pair of earrings right there. I got this pair of earrings, which is really cute. This is $5.99, which is like $6. And I got these 2 sets of rings, like a smiley rings, which is really cute. Cannot wait to wear this as well. So yeah, I got these for $6.99. So anyways, so today is gonna be, since it's Sunday, I'm gonna work tomorrow. I'm gonna do a lot of laundry today, and then clean my studio slash my husband's office. And also I think it's gonna be, well, it's nice outside, it's really sunny. I think I'm gonna clean my car as well. So yeah, it's gonna be like a day in my life vlog. Hi loves, oh my goodness. So today is a Saturday, and I'm excited because I have some good news. Well, as you guys all know, I have my ceremony, oath-taking ceremony yesterday, and I'm finally a citizen here in US, and I'm just very happy and excited. I'm also excited. I want to show you guys some pieces that I got from Zara, and we went to Annapolis, Maryland, like downtown Annapolis, and I got some cute like stuff for like summer and spring. I want to show you this hat that I got from like a local shop in Annapolis, and also one, I think it's like a boutique. So anyways, I think I'm just gonna insert this video together with my last week's video while I was showing you guys what I got from H&M. Okay, first things first is from this boutique, Bright Side. This was in downtown Annapolis, and I got like a cute top and the color yellow. And I got a top, and I got this necklace, which is, I've been really wanting to get one of these necklaces. So this is the necklace look like, with my initial on G, and I believe this is $28. So this is what the necklace look like. It's so freaking cute. And then I got a top from them. Let's see, Bright Side. Okay, I don't know if they have Instagram, I'll have to look it up. But I tried this on yesterday. I think I tried on a medium or large yesterday. For some reason it was really huge. So I got this small, okay, this is the new Rose halter crop top in small, in the color lemon. You guys, it's so freaking cute. I'm gonna like wear it like this, or you can also wear this like a crisscross. Like I was experimenting it yesterday while I was like trying on. But anyways, you'll see the you'll see this. I'm gonna wear this maybe like next week. I'm gonna try to, you know, wear this next week. And I believe there's like a tie in the back, but yeah, it's really cute. And this is $34. It's a little bit pricey, but I like the color, and it's screaming like spring slash summertime. I can't wait to wear this. I think I have to wash it because it has my makeup on. I was wearing makeup. Yeah, it has my makeup on, so I gotta wash it. And then, so the next one is this little cute hat. This reminds me of like Queen Elizabeth. But you guys, so in my head, like if I'm gonna wear like a 2-piece or like a 1-piece and I'm gonna throw this on, they have like the sage green color, they have like the pink, and they have this like cream white. So I got this cream white, and I believe this is $15. The name of the store is Hippie Element. and I'm excited. So my hair is gonna be down, not like, you know, like this, but my hair is gonna be down, and I'm gonna, like, you know, wear this in like in the beach or like summertime, springtime. I can't wait. I was gonna get the green one, but I feel like cream white can fit with every like other colors. But yes, this one right here, it's really cute. And then also we also stopped by at Zara. We went a lot of places yesterday because, like I said, we were in Baltimore. Our plan was supposed to be just to stroll around Baltimore, but I hate driving on a big cities like Baltimore because I'm not familiar with the roads, and I get really extreme anxiety when like driving to like unfamiliar roads or unfamiliar like places. All right, love, so next is from Zara. I got some cute pieces and some spring summer pieces, and I can't wait for you guys to see. Okay, hold on, give me 1 second. So first things first is this cute top. Look how pretty it is. It's a green color, like lime green color. Like I said, for how many times that I'm gonna mention this, I've been really into green lately, like sage green, lime green colors. This is really cute, and this is size medium, and I got this for $25.90. It's really freaking cute. I can't wait to like style them. And also yesterday my friend and I actually shoot like at least one, like I wore at least 3 or 4, I think just 3 outfits yesterday, and I already uploaded some of the pictures on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me there. I'm gonna put like my name around here in the screen. Okay, so the next top I got is this another crop top, which I don't know how to describe the color. It's like grayish, like very off, not white, like off green color, like this. And I love the little detail. And this is on the size medium, same price, $25.90. This is really thick. The material of this top is really thick. It reminds me of my Aritzia Babaton crop top. Those reminds me of this one. Okay, the next one I have is one short, which is yellow. This came in a set, but I already have so many like yellow crop tops, and I just got these. But yeah, this is $19.90. I can't wait to wear this as well. And then lastly, that caught my eyes is this one right here, which is, I cannot wait to style them as well. Is this silky how do you call it, silky skirt, which is really long, and I love this little crunch in the middle. Okay, hold on, I'm trying to like, wait, okay, see that little like this crunch in the middle right here, and it has like a really open slit in the front, which I really love, and the zipper is on the side. And I love the material. It's very silky. It's perfect for spring and summer. I honestly love this. I'm feeling like I'm gonna pair this with this one, like yellow on yellow, or like yellow on like green or lilac. I don't know what to how do you call this, like the pair, but I'm excited to wear this. And this is a little bit more pricier. This is $39.90. They also have different colors as well, but the color yellow, it's just like, I just love yellow. Like that's like one of my favorite color, yellow. And I think that's it. That's the only thing that I got for Zara. I got like I just got 4 stuff. They have a lot of new spring collection at Zara, and yesterday it was so crazy. Like the line is just crazy, like long, like it's just crazy. It took us at least 15 or 20 minutes. Like I hate Zara lines. It's just so freaking long. Anyways, I gotta take a shower, and I also have to clean my room right here because it's a little messy. So yes, I'll catch up on you guys later once I'm like done cleaning the house, or like cleaning my studio room. And yes, I will chat, and I will talk to you, or like chat or talk to you guys later. Okay, so another haul really quick. I forgot, I got this last week from Ulta, and I got a couple stuff from Ulta, which I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so I got some, I finally got this. I've been wanting to get this really bad. This is the Maui Babe Browning Lotion one right here. I believe this is like $13. I can't wait to, you know, use this when it's summertime, when it's really nice and hot outside. I can't wait to use this. I think I used this last summer and the summer before that, and this really helps me tan. Even if I am like a little bit brown and I just want to get it more tan, like I love being tan and brown. So yeah, I can't wait to use this summer. And I got here this NYX, the Marshmallow Primer. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this. They said it kind of like compared to like the Touch Up Primer, I believe, the new liquid Touch Up Primer. I believe this is $16. It's a little bit pricey for, well, it's NYX, but yeah, this is $16, and I'm gonna try this hopefully by tomorrow. I'm gonna try this tomorrow. And I got the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Goli. This is infused with argan oil and vitamin E. I've been really loving like a liquid blush lately, and I'm gonna try this tomorrow as well. And this is a restock. This is from NYX. I love this. I was gonna get the Morphe, which is only like $5. This one I believe is like 10 something dollars. I love the Morphe as well, but they don't have my my shade. I normally get like the black one. So yeah, this is I believe $10. This is the micro pencil, which really reminds me of the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I stopped repurchasing the Brow Wiz because it's a little bit pricey, and the, you know, drugstore is kind of like the same, which is this one, and also the Morphe one. And then I got here dry shampoo. This is the Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I want to try this brand, and I'll let you guys know if it's any good. But yeah, this is dry shampoo from IGK. And then last from Ulta is this buffing foundation, this brush buffing foundation from e.l.f. I believe this is like $6. And also I got this at drugstore, I believe CVS. This is the Daily Hydration Cream. This is hydrates all day and helps protect against sun damage. This is like a moisturizer slash sunscreen. So there's a sunscreen together with the moisturizer, and I believe this is $7, and I can't wait to try this, even if I already got the CeraVe moisturizing lotion with sunscreen. That one has SPF 30 as well, and this one also has SPF 30, which is, I know it's still not enough, but I like to reapply sunscreen after I apply my CeraVe moisturizing with sunscreen, and I kind of like wait a minute or two, and then I'll apply sunscreen from Neutrogena, or the one that I got from Super Goop or Sugar Goop. I think it's Super Goop. So yeah, I can't wait to try this as well. So yeah, that's the only thing I got from Ulta. And I think there's like the KVD foundation, and I went there because I saw it on TikTok. But then the girl at Ulta, she told me that they get a lot of returns, because on TikTok, when I was scrolling TikTok, I see a lot of girls hyping it up, and she said that they get a lot of returns, especially the people who have oily combination skin, because it's kind of like really dewy foundation. And she said it's good for normal to dry skin, but I do have like, well, I'm like, I don't know, like I'm like, if summertime I'm like combination to oily skin, but like wintry time I'm like normal to like dry skin. Right now it's like normal. It's not really too oily, but I was gonna get it, but they don't have the they don't have my shade. I'm gonna insert a picture here if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's like all over the TikTok, and I was really gonna get it because it looks really full coverage, and I just want to try it, but they don't have it. So let me know if you try that in the comment section below. Let me know if it's any good or not. But anyways, that's the thing that I got from Ulta. And yes, I'm just folding some clothes, and it's already like late. I woke up late today because I slept late last night, plus I had a long day yesterday.